Welcome back to the channel. I wasn't planning to make any video today, but Bitcoin has made some interesting movement. So I want to make this emergency video and let's talk about the chart. So in my last video, I said that even though Bitcoin, the RSI has bounced off this support line, there is still a chance that Bitcoin can go down from here. That's because the positive number of the BitMax funding and premium index. You can see that when it's positive, I said that that's because a lot of people is longing than the people that is shorting. When there is a lot of people longing, then people are buying. So the easiest way is to short it in this market. This is why we get this dump. And because of this dump, we are forming a bearish pattern on the daily chart, which is a head and shoulder pattern. This is not very good for in the short term for Bitcoin. So this is a shoulder, this is a head, there's another shoulder. If Bitcoin price dump below this neckline, the target for this pattern would be something like here. I'll connect this one, and if it dump, it could go down to at least here. So that would be, that's 9,768. That would be very close to the CME gap. So I suspect if Bitcoin does dump to this level, the CME gap will be filled. The possibility of it getting filled is pretty high. And let's see. And in that case, there is a high possibility that RSI will also going down to this level. It could be touching this line, or it could be dumped all the way here. In that case, just like I said last time, that would be the most bullish pattern that for me, because I like to trade this pattern. Normally I will buy when the RSI is very close to 20 or something. That's really good buying opportunity. And if Bitcoin does dump to this level, the BitMax funding will also become negative. That means people are becoming more negative for the price, and that would be my favorite trading scenario. And yes, let's take a look at the Ethereum. So Ethereum also have a dump, but we are still holding support for this recent resistance become support. This is a very good sign. And Ethereum is the central core for all DeFi project. So last night I tried transaction on Uniswap, and the transaction fee is like about $30 or $40. So right now the gas price for using Ethereum is really high. So when people are using Ethereum, it just depletes from their hand very quickly. This is why I suspect by the end of this year it's possible that Ethereum could go up to $1,000 or even more. So yeah, this is why I also hold a bunch of Ethereum for this reason. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart again, and there's not much change. The interesting thing for 4 hours for Bitcoin, you can see that we have 3 candles that the BitMax funding and premium index become negative. This is why people are starting to buy it. There are people starts to try to get this short-term bottom. But now we see another new candle with the positive index, and that means there is a chance that Bitcoin will starting to plunge again. And if it goes down to this neckline with a lot of volume, that's very important, then we probably could see a pretty negative environment in the cryptocurrency space. And I think that is very good because there are just too many people buying right now. Okay, so that's the update from me, and thank you guys for coming back, and be safe and have a good evening. I'll see you in the next video.